Hi folks, welcome back. Today we'll set up the new iPhone 13 Pro. So let's get started. So let's first turn it on. खोलने के लिए स्वाइप करें. Okay. Pick a language. So let's pick English. Selecting my country as India. So this screen is to set up your iPhone using another iPhone or iPad. Since I don't have any such device, I'll just set it up manually. Written in spoken languages. So let's continue with the default for now. Let's connect to the Wi-Fi access point, which is GEEKNaren for me. Let's type in the password and join. It will take few minutes to activate your phone. Okay, we'll wait. Device and privacy. So here it says the icon will be shown each time any app asks for your personal information. So Apple says they want to minimize the collection of users' personal information, and that's why you will see some differences in the iOS 15 on the way the permissions are granted to the apps. So let's click continue. It supports Face ID for biometric authentication. I'll skip it for now and do it later. It would have been better if it had a touch ID, since the Face ID doesn't work with the masks on. Create a passcode. Let me think of something. Okay, password is set. Apps and data. It is giving me an option to set this device using backups or other devices. So here it offers restore from iCloud backup, Mac or PC, transfer from another phone, move data from Android, or don't transfer anything and start fresh. I'll do restore from iCloud backup, which I took recently. Let me add my Apple ID and password here. Okay, Apple verification code. Okay, a notification has been sent with verification code on the other devices. Let me quickly grab my Mac. Here I have the notification, so I'll click allow. Let's add this code on the iPhone. It worked. Nice. We don't need the Mac now. Oh, the terms and conditions, my favorite, which everyone should read and everyone does, right? Yeah, sure. Agree. It may take a few minutes to set up the Apple ID. Okay. So now it's asking for the Mac password. It's referring to some older Mac which I don't have access now, but let's give it a try. Oh wow, it worked. Great. So I have two backups. I'll pick the latest one. Make this your new iPhone. Let's do continue. Keep your iPhone up to date. It's actually advisable to keep your iPhone software up to date whenever you get a new release notification, especially any updates which mention security improvements. You should just install it right away. Siri, I don't like this. I'll just say set this up later and we'll never do it. iPhone analytics. I don't want to share more stuff with Apple than what I already have to. So I will say don't share. Now it will restore the iPhone from iCloud backup I selected earlier. So considering it's several GBs, it's gonna take some good amount of time depending upon your network speed. Alright, so iCloud backup restore has been completed and the iPhone is now usable. It says no SIM card installed because we haven't done it yet. So one thing to notice here is that the iPhone will get really hot during the initial setup of the phone because it's installing a lot of apps in the background. So it's very much expected to have such a spike in temperature when you're setting up your new iPhone or any smartphone device for that matter. And it would be fine when you will be using it on a regular basis. So let's install the SIM card. So here's the tiny hole where you need to poke with this pin. So this is SIM tray. Okay, I've placed the SIM card on the tray. Now we'll put it back and press it so that there's no bumping up. Alright, so my SIM is successfully installed and I can see the network indicator showing healthy signals. So the iPhone setup is done. I will explore other features and share them with you later. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Adios.